I think it's going. Is the Vikings one? Got you a little gift. What?
Belated birthday.
Oh, nothing. Open it up. Vikings one? I don't know. Oh, you don't?
Oh, probably just getting over it.
Oh, that's right.
Close to it.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
Probably not what you're expecting.
Oh my God! Really? Oh, congrats! That's a boy.
We don't know yet how far along. We're still really early. So.
Oh, are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm recording. What'd you say? Recorded.
Oh, get out of here!
You know what? I also said that to me today when we were at Target, and I was like, you had my little, baby thing. Moving along, I didn't say it. Oh my God.
Just for me.
Oh, wow.
Well,
you
it was just,
But you can keep it at your
Oh,
house.
what is that?
Get out of here, Tony.
How long have you known?
Just a few weeks, actually.
it's really early, so you can't tell anybody.
Scared.